Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Muhammad Zubair Khan, and today we will discuss the rational expression. This is the 8th week of Mathematics 2 for BCS students. So, in previous classes, we have studied the uh, different types of equations like linear equations, solution of linear equations, like quadratic equations and solution of quadratic equations by using factorization, completing square and quadratic formula. Different methods we have studied, how to calculate or how to find out the solution set of the quadratic equations. Now the topics that we have in in our course outline, there is rational expression. So first you need to understand the definition of rational expression. The definition of rational expression says that the expression, or you can say the algebraic expression in the form of p of x over q of x, means in the form of a fraction. When we are talking about the rational, so rational number basically it's a fractional form of a number. So we have studied in mathematics 1 that how to understand the rational number, how to apply some mathematical operations on rational numbers. But here we need to understand that what is the rational expression. So the difference between the rational number and rational expression is only in number we have 1 over 2, it's a rational number. But in case if we have x plus 1 over x minus 3, now this is become rational expression. Expression instead of numbers if we have some polynomials, or if we have some expressions in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So the condition is very much simple, that the denominator should not be equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0, because if the denominator becomes 0, so it will become infinity, or we can say it will become undefined form. So first you need to understand the rational expression. Rational expression is the expressions which is in the form of division, in which we have numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominators we have polynomials, and the denominator is not equal to 0. After understanding the rational expressions, then we have to apply some mathematical operations on rational expression. But before to apply mathematical operations on rational expressions, you need to understand first we have to study that how to simplify the rational expression. So the next is how to simplify. Simplification of rational expressions. Simplification of rational expression means that when there is a chance of simplification, so you can do or you can simplify the given rational expression. Means that if we have a chance of ikhtisar, in Dari it's called ikhtisar, if we have a chance of ikhtisar or simplification, so we can do simplification of numerator with the denominator, so we can simplify the rational expression. For example, if we have some single terms expression like example, through example I am going to explain 15x square y divided by suppose 6xy square, like this. And this is the single term expression, and this is also single term expression, but this is called what? Rational expression, in which we have two variables in the numerator as well as in the denominator. What we have to do, we will try to simplify number with numbers and variable with variable. We have studied in the laws of exponent that how to do simplification if we have a chance of simplification in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now look at here, we have a chance. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, and x cancel with x square, so x power 1 will remain. Y cancel with y square, so y power 1 will remain. What will remain in the numerator? We have 5 and x. What is remaining in the denominator? We have 2 and we have only y. So this is the simplified form. This is the way that how you can do simplification. Because when you learn simplification of rational expression, then it's easy to apply some mathematical rules on, apply mathematical operations on rational expression. How to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. Because in division, multiplication, addition, and subtractions, we need their simplification. That's why first you have to understand that how to simplify the rational expression. Another example, in case if we have the double term expressions and we need to do simplification, so how we can do it. For example, if we have x square plus 4x, example, x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 16, like this. And if we need to do simplification, so how we can do? First we will make the factors. What is common in these two? We will take x common, so x plus 4. And we will make the factors of this one, x square minus 16, so we can write x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 4 square. 16 is the square of 4. So we can apply the formula a square minus b square, which is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So we can write x plus 4 into x minus 4. Now if you see, here we have a chance x plus 4 cancel with x plus 4. What will remain? X in the numerator and x minus 4 in the denominator. So this is the simplified form of this expression. So by this way you can do simplification of rational expressions. Sometimes we need to do simplification, or we need to do to make some simplification if the expressions are given, like let me take an example, another in which we have three terms in the numerator and denominator. Suppose we have 5x square plus 6x minus 8 divided by 10x square minus 3x and minus 4. Now if we need to make the factors, the simplified form of this rational expression, so what we have to do, first we will make the factors. As I mentioned in my previous classes, that factorizations are very much important, because you need factorization again and again. We will make the factors of 5x square plus 6x minus 8. So here you should make the factor 5x square plus 6x minus 8. We have studied in Mathematics 1 the factorization portion. The factorization of three terms, multiply first and last. 5 multiplied by minus 8, so minus 40 x square. Then make two parts of the midterm. The addition or subtraction of those parts should give you midterm, and the multiplication should give you minus 40x square. So 5x square plus 10x minus 4x and minus 8. 10x minus 4x, 6x. 10x multiplied by minus 4x, so minus 40x square. Now what is common in these two? 5 as well as x. So take 5x common from these two. What will remain here? X plus, here we have 2, 5 2s are 10. And here minus common as well as 4. So what will remain? X minus 2, 4s are 8, x minus 2. Now from these two, x plus 2. If you take minus common, so it will become x plus 2. These two factors should be same. If not, your factorization is wrong. So x minus 2, x plus 2 into 5x minus 4 after making the factors. Now you should put, instead of this expression, you should put x plus 2 into 5x minus 4 divided by. Now make the factors of the second one in the denominator. 10x square minus 3x minus 4. Multiply first and last again. 10 multiplied by minus 4, so minus 40 x square again. Make two parts of this one. The addition or subtraction should give you minus 3x. Multiplication should give you minus 40 x square. So 10x square will remain unchanged, and minus 8x plus 5x and minus 4. Minus 4 will remain unchanged. Minus 8 plus 5, minus 3. And minus 8 multiplied by plus 5, so minus 4 x square. Now what is common in these two? Take common. One is 2, another is x. What will remain? 5 2s are 10, so 5x minus 2 4s are 8, 4. And what is common in these two? Nothing is common, so take plus 1 is common. If you take plus 1 common, so what will remain? 5x minus 4. Now from these two, 5x minus 4 common, what will remain? 2x plus 1. Now put here 5x minus 4 and 2x plus 1. Now if you see in the numerator and denominator, we have a chance to do cancellation. What will remain? X plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. This will be the simplified form of this expression. So simplification of rational expression is important. First, try to understand the definition of rational expression. Then you should try to understand that how to simplify the rational expression. In the next class, inshallah, we will study that how to apply the mathematical operations on rational expression. The addition, subtraction, multiplication and division we will study. So do practice on these questions. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.